The song has Mandarin, English, Cantonese, everything. Okay, it's a trilingual. OK，爱我们的主给了我们一首歌，感动我们唱歌，唱歌和敬拜神。去教會 can be fun，go to church can be fun，去教會好好玩，去教會敬拜神好玩唔悶，好好玩敬拜神。Go to church can be fun, not boring, but it's fun. It is fun. Oh yeah, it is fun. Worship God in church can be fun. Oh yeah. 爱我们的主给了我们一首歌，感动我们唱歌，敬拜我们的上帝，敬拜神，赞美主。Can be fun, not boring，好好玩，盡心盡性盡意去愛主你嘅神，很好玩，唔係悶啊，係好玩啊，好嘢，好嘢，好好玩，敬拜神係好的，敬拜神用心盡性盡意去愛主你嘅神，其餘係愛人如己，敬拜神好好玩，敬拜神唔係悶，係好玩，係好玩。Worship God is fun. Worship God is fun. Going to church is fun. Not boring. Not boring, but it's fun. Worship the Lord in truth and in spirit. Okay, I'll get back to this song in the future. Okay.